Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes golden brown. First, ensure your cooking surface is properly prepared. Use a non-stick pan or griddle and preheat it to a consistent medium-low temperature. This prevents burning and promotes even cooking. A light coating of butter or oil before each batch also helps achieve that perfect golden hue and prevents sticking. Consistency is key for beautiful pancakes. Next, let's talk about the batter itself. Mix your ingredients until they are just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough pancakes. Allow the batter to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This lets the flour fully hydrate. When pouring, use about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake to ensure uniform size and thickness, which aids in even browning. Now for the cooking technique. Place your batter onto the preheated surface. Wait until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges begin to look set and dry. This is your cue to flip. Only flip your pancakes once to avoid deflating them. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side until they reach that beautiful golden brown color. To consistently achieve golden brown pancakes, always maintain a steady, medium-low heat. If your pan gets too hot, reduce the temperature slightly to prevent burning the outside before the inside cooks through. Conversely, if they're not browning, increase the heat a little. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers. Enjoy your perfectly golden pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.